Alright, so we've got some of these hockey gloves, and the Velcro's a bit terrible on it. It's worn out, the hook side, so what we've got to do is take it off and re-stitch some new one on. So let's get started with that then. I've done it. So basically, trying to remove this, it actually was deteriorating. So rather than remove it, I put it back on. Putting it back on, I tried my best because it was falling apart. So on the second one, I just stitched it on top rather than taking the tag out, because this tag is weaker than the Velcro itself that was originally on, and it's a weird fabric that just wanted to just break away. It was just breaking away, and it just felt like a mix of tissue paper and like paper itself, the way it was just falling apart. So I tried my best with these. If I had enough taking them off, it would have been better. And just goes to show that these are meant to be like good quality gloves, but it turned out that they're using certain materials that are really poor. So that's it really anyway.